Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. For those of you on the channel that are used to seeing me in the shop, this isn't my shop. I'm at home right now, and I've got some videotapes with sticky shed syndrome. These have been from Puerto Rico. Anything I get from Puerto Rico, heat, humidity, 365 days a year. Typically, people don't have, they haven't had them in air conditioning, they've been in the garage, etc. So I have got a video I just made before this at the shop, and I've got a food dehydrator. I just have it at home so I can just bake it overnight, kind of keep my eyes on it. Here's Birdie. What this is gonna do, I take them out of the cases and I just put them in there, and you can't overheat these things. They're just gonna stay good. Take them out of the casings, and then I put them in here for like 5 to 6 hours at 165, and this is going to extract the moisture. It resets the tape binder, kills bacteria, so this isn't shedding anymore, hopefully. And then from there you can reattach the tape together, clean it. I run it through my tape kind of cleaner, and then the transfer portion of it starts. So these are from like the mid-90s. So worn out, and from the heat and everything, that whatever was written on here, you can barely make it out. Is just completely, the ink has been extracted just from heat, humidity, etc. So I'm going to put this in here, and then I'm going to attend to Birdie, who wants to play the ball, don't you? Hey? All right. So we're going to go temperature 165 is fine. You can't burn these things up even if you tried. And then I'm going to okay. And then I'm going to just have it on for 8 hours. I'll take it out in a few hours, but this is why I have it at home, just so I can after work, I take my work home with me. And then I've also got these tapes here as well. I've taken home. These have all just got the issues. Everything's broken inside of it. Look, it's just snapped. So I've got to unscrew these and then take them out. Hopefully I can get the screws out. They're not rusted in there. Oh, Birdie, stop, dude. All right, it's like enough of the YouTube stuff, but it's in there, and I'll have follow-up videos on this. All right, bye.